people are spending on healthcare. When I heard that statement, 2012, I began to think, if so much money is being spent on healthcare, how can we achieve healthcare without spending much on drugs? That was the beginning that stimulated my thought. And since that 2012, I've been working, researching on different things that can make people to get free health without spending much. Hello? Hello? And I'm glad you are going to partake in this. I said you are going to partake in this. If people are poor because of the amount of money, and you know, poverty is one of the greatest challenges that is facing mankind. How many of you know that Nigeria is the poverty headquarters of the world? How many of you know? You know? You don't know? But it is already on the news globally. But all I'm saying is that we can reverse that trend if we know what we can do to begin to enjoy free health care without spending much money. Hello? How many of you want to learn such secret? I say, how many of you want to learn such secret? Are you ready? Are you ready? I'm a pharmacologist. In those days, my professor in pharmacology, Professor Paul, told us in a class that every drug you use or you take is a potential poison and potential food. It is both poison and food. Food in the sense that drugs, you take them, they manipulate the system, they reverse the enzyme, stimulate some organs, and you could be healed. In the same way, that same drug could become a poison. And I want to surprise you. If I test all of you now, most of you, 90 to 95% people here, even if not 98, your system is toxic. It's acidic. I have my tester here. Maybe I will experiment with some of you. You see that your system is toxic. Why is it toxic? The air we breathe is polluted. The food we eat, some of them, toxic. The water we drink, I will tell some of the water you are drinking for you now with this place. You see that the water are toxic, full of toxins. Above all, the drugs we pack into the system, they are toxic.